नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे रोल ओवर डेटा के बारे में, मार्केट के की लेवल्स और मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते निफ्टी के आउटलुक से। सो ड्यूरिंग द मे सीरीज निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स रिमेन कन्फाइंड विद इन अ नैरो रेंज ऑफ जस्ट 1165 पॉइंट्स, which was the tightest in the recent history, reflecting a phase of subdued volatility and indecisiveness among market participants. For the majority of the series, the index hovered in a consolidation zone, with neither the bulls nor the bears asserting strong control. Despite the lack of a decisive trend, the index showed resilience and managed to close the series in green, indicating underlying strength. This muted price action suggests that the market is possibly gearing up for the directional breakout in the upcoming series. Supporting this view, the rollover of Nifty futures rose to 79.1% in the May series, slightly higher than April's 79.08% and above the 3-month average of 78.09%. This marginal increase in the rollover activity, especially amid a narrow range series, reflects traders' willingness to carry forward their positions, possibly in anticipation of a breakout move. It indicates sustained interest and confidence in the market's underlying structure, hinting at a potentially more active and volatile June series. The number of shares rolled surged to 149 lakhs compared to 128 lakh last month. However, the rollover cost dipped to 0.52%, below the 3-month average of 0.61%. Talking about Bank Nifty futures also traded within a narrow range of just 2,600 points during the May series, marking the narrowest range in recent times. Throughout the series, the index largely remained in consolidation with no strong directional bias from either bulls or bears. Ultimately, it ended the series on a flat note. However, beneath the subdued price action, the rollover data paints a more interesting picture. Bank Nifty futures witnessed a notable surge in rollovers, rising to 79.29%, significantly higher than last month's 75.05% and comfortably above the 3-month average of 77.11%. This uptick suggests that the market participants are carry forwarding their positions with a greater conviction into the June series. Adding to this, the rollover cost also spiked to 0.71%, well above the 3-month average of 0.5%. The rise in cost reflects a premium being paid to hold long positions, indicating underlying bullish sentiment despite the lack of visible trend on the surface. The market-wide rollover stood unchanged at 89% compared to the last month. In the new series, the FI long-short ratio dipped sharply to 19.71% at the start of the June series, indicating a cautious stance with reduced long exposure. While this reflects near-term uncertainty, such extreme positioning can act as a contrarian signal, suggesting that any upside move may trigger short covering, potentially accelerating momentum. निफ्टी के क्रूजल लेवल्स की बात करें तो 25,050 टू 25,100 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट रेजिस्टेंस का काम करेगा। अगर निफ्टी इस 25,100 के लेवल के ऊपर सस्टेनेबली ट्रेड करता है तो एक रैली देखने को मिल सकता है जो 25,500 तक जा सकता है और शॉर्ट टर्म में 25,700 तक भी एक्सटेंड हो सकता है। वही नीचे की तरफ 24,550 टू 24,500 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट जोन होगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,500 के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो अगला इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट 50 डे ये में होगा, जो फिलहाल 24,150 टू 24,100 के जोन में प्लेस्ड है। अगर हम सीजनैलिटी की बात करें, ओवर द पास्ट 18 years, द जून मंथ हैज़ ऑफन एग्जिबिटेड अ पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड फॉर निफ्टी. On 11 occasions, the index has concluded on a positive note with an average gain of 4.19%, while on 7 occasions it has ended on a negative note with an average loss of 3.8%. The average return for Nifty in the June series has been 1.09%. Over the past 18 years, June has consistently shown an average volatility of 7.8% for the Nifty index. If we look at Bank Nifty, historically, Bank Nifty has also shown a positive trend in June over the past 18 years. Out of these, it closed positively 11 times with an average gain of 4.5%, while ending negatively 7 times with an average loss of 5.63%. The average return for Bank Nifty in June series has been 0.58%. However, Bank Nifty has demonstrated an average volatility of approximately 9.3% for the past 18 years. If we talk about the potential outperforming sectors based on the rollover data, so private banks, financial services, PSU banks, chemical space, capital market, defense, PSE, CPSE, metal and realty sectors have shown strong rollovers. But if we look at the sectors that have shown, the potential underperforming sectors that is based on rollover data, that is consumer durables, FMCG, and India tourism. So these sectors can underperform in the coming series. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.